Welcome to my channel. Write the correct numbers for each words. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. Match the color name with the correct color swatch. Red, green, blue, yellow, pink. Write the days of the week in the correct order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which day come before Friday? Thursday. Circle the day that come next in the sequence. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Cut out the words below and put them in the correct order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Unscramble the letters to find the correct month. January, April, June, August, December. How many months are there in a year? 12. Fill in the blanks with the correct month of the year. The first month of the year is January. My birthday is in March. December is after November. The month before May is April. The last month of the year is December. Circle the month that comes next to the sequence. January, February, March, April, May, June. September, October, November, December. June, July, August, September, October. Look at the pictures and write the correct name of the object. Pen, books, chair, notebook, computer. Which objects do you use to sit on? Chair.